Okay, so been asked by the 2019 Second International UHPC Symposium Organizing Committee to create something unique so that our attendees can make their own take-home souvenir utilizing different UHPCs from all around the world. So the first thing we wanted to do is we had to convert their logo into something that was 3D printable. So we did that, and that created this master. The master is then going into vacuum forming machine, which is heating up. The average is about 2 minutes, so this has to get to about 312 degrees Fahrenheit. So that guy's climbing. Once that occurs, I'll lower this down. You'll see this in action, and should be interesting. Try to do this one-handed. Yeah, it's possible. Watching grass grow. So what'll be interesting about this is, as I mentioned, we have multiple UHP suppliers from around the world. Steel Lake will be one of them. And we wanted to have multiple activities, one of which is make your own take-home UHPC souvenir. And that's going to be held at up in Albany, New York for a day 2 activity. There's multiple activities. This guy's getting up there. Anyway, we wanted to speed things up, so we're going to be all adjusting our mix designs with different additives to allow a less than 2-hour demold from the moment we make it. It'll probably be over 10,000 psi at that point in 2 hours. I'm using a non-chloride accelerator. All right, so this will be happening soon. Waiting for that to get the right softness. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, that should do it. That has to cool down, so instead of tying your time up watching it cool, and let it go for about another minute, rinse it in cold water, and pop out the mold and do another one. So what that will create is this, which will then fill with UHPC, and when it's demolded, end up with something like that. On the bottom, I'll have a square of felt, and then these are also sealed with my Ridgeback sealer, which takes like 5 minutes. Now, it's cool enough now, so we'll turn it off. Get this thing up. So this guy's going to come over. The goal for me is to speed it up, so I have to do about 20 of these today. So it's about 1 every 5 minutes. This is extremely hot, and I just want to shock it enough to cool it off to make it easier to demold. One-handed, possibly. Yeah, we're good. challenging. There we go. So that guy pops out. He can be reused again. It's probably about 90 degrees. And this will pull all the detail. And that's how to make your own, well, how to make your own mold to make your own UHPC take-home souvenir. Hopefully these will spread around the world because it's an international meeting. All right, thanks everybody. Hope to see you up in Albany. Again, this Sunday, the 2nd through the 5th. You can Google UHPC Symposium.